Breastfeeding is a journey of love, bonding, and nourishment. As a new mom, you're embarking on a path that's as rewarding as it is challenging. Here are some tips to help you navigate this beautiful experience. First, let's talk about comfort. Find a quiet, cozy spot where you can relax. A comfortable chair with armrests, a nursing pillow, and a footstool can make a world of difference. Wear clothes that allow easy access to your breasts, and consider using a soft blanket for privacy if you prefer. Remember, your comfort is key to a successful breastfeeding experience. Now, onto finding your rhythm. Every baby is unique, and so is their feeding schedule. Look for hunger cues like lip smacking or hand sucking. It's important to feed on demand, especially in the early weeks. This not only ensures your baby is getting enough milk, but also helps establish your milk supply. Don't worry about the clock. Focus on your baby's needs. Breastfeeding can come with its set of challenges. Sore nipples, engorgement, and latching difficulties are common. If pain persists, it's crucial to seek help from a lactation consultant. They can offer personalized advice and support. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to breastfeeding support groups where you can share experiences and solutions with other moms. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique. Be patient with yourself and your baby. With time, support, and practice, you'll find your way. Happy breastfeeding!